Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you this air freshener. Basically it'll fresh your car with a very good musky smell. So this is from Godrej, and this is known as air. So Godrej air it is there. So it's basically a gel which you need to twist and turn it to on and turn it off. So basically you can adjust the level of fragrance you want in your car. So I'll just open this and I'll share you the feedback of this, how the smell is. So this has costed me around 425 rupees, but I have got on discount, so less than some around 380 rupees from Amazon. If you want, I'll share the link in the description box. So let's open this. Yeah, so packing is good. And yeah, let me open this so easily. I'm opening this with one hand. So yeah, so this is how it comes. I'll keep the cover aside. This is the plastic cover, and this is how it looks. Godrej air. And yeah, I'll remove this from this paper sheet also. Remove this plastic cover, and below that a package seal, aluminum foil kind of seal is there. So just remove it. I removed it. So these are the packaging part, and this is a sticky gum here. So if you want to place it on the dashboard or somewhere here, you can just remove this below tape and you can just paste it here, so you can control it from here. But I'll not be putting it there. I'll be putting it here at this place. So I'll keep it like this. So this is a more convenient place for me. You can keep it as per your convenience. So basically, just to use this, you need to remove this fully, because if you remove half and you want to save it for further, like you want to give extension of for this life, that is not useful, because you already have the this rotating part, this one. So you can just control the level of fragrance you want and how much. If you are using it to the least, you will get more life, but if you are using it to the most, you will get the least life. So it depends upon the usage, and basically on an average it comes for 2 months. So that is a good price. Like if you are paying for around 350 to 400 rupees for 2 months for a fragrance in your car, that's okay, that's a worth. And let me just open this one. I'll open this. Yeah, okay, I'll remove it properly with my both hands. So this is how it looks. The cover or the seal is totally out, and it's a completely gel based formula. The fragrance, I can smell it right now, and it's a musky fragrance, and it's very mild. It's not that very strong you want you will get irritated in your car. It's very mild and musky, so you'll kind of love with this smell. I personally find this musky fragrance good and preferable, so I have taken this one. It comes with multiple fragrance options as well. So just to use this, you need to place this here, close this box. This is completely closed, and once you rotate, this will only on and off. This is the level of fragrance you want, so you can control based on this. So I need only like this much of now. So I have set it and I have kept it here. So this is a more convenient place. If you want, you can keep it here also by removing the tape, but I'll not remove it because I don't want any permanent position for this. And if you want, you can, if you want more fragrance, you can use it in the blower also. Yeah, now it's very strong. Like I can feel the fragrance in the whole car. And if you want backside also blower, you can put it. So the smell has spread. Now I'll just utilize this much and I'll keep it here safely. You can control it from here also, so it depends how much you want. So yeah, So this is how you can use this in your car. Also, if you have any query, you can comment, or instructions are also given on the back side of the box. And yeah, this is Godrej Air Twist. So let me know if you are using this, and how the smell it is, and how much last like how many days it is lasting for you. So that's all for today's video, and we'll continue later. So thank you for staying till here. Thanks a lot.